Today we're discussing AI and the job market, a topic that's shaping the future of work. Will AI replace jobs or create new opportunities? How can you adapt and stay relevant? Let's explore key ways AI is transforming jobs and how you can prepare. AI is transforming businesses by automating tasks, improving decision-making, and boosting efficiency. Companies use AI for customer service, data analysis, and supply chain management. AI-powered chatbots, predictive analytics, and robotic process automation (RPA) are streamlining operations across industries. While AI enhances productivity, it also changes the workforce dynamics, requiring employees to adapt to new technologies. AI is replacing roles that involve repetitive, rule-based tasks. Jobs in data entry, telemarketing, retail cashiers, and basic customer support are at high risk. Automated systems can perform these functions faster and with fewer errors, leading to workforce reductions in certain industries. However, rather than complete job elimination, many roles are being restructured to require AI oversight and management. Although AI eliminates some jobs, it also creates new employment opportunities. The demand for AI specialists, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, and automation engineers is growing rapidly. As industries integrate AI, new roles in AI governance, ethics, and AI-assisted healthcare are emerging. Employees who adapt and upscale will find numerous opportunities in AI-driven workplaces. With AI becoming an essential part of industries, AI literacy is crucial. Skills such as machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, Python programming, and AI ethics are now highly sought after. Employees with expertise in cloud computing, data science, and AI-driven analytics have a competitive edge in today's job market. AI will not only replace jobs but also enhance them. In the future, AI and humans will work side by side, with AI handling automatable tasks, allowing employees to focus on critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. AI is already assisting professionals in finance, marketing, and medicine, increasing efficiency while improving decision making. AI's impact varies across industries. In healthcare, AI-driven diagnostics assist doctors in detecting diseases faster. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection and automated trading. Retailers leverage AI-driven chatbots for personalized customer experiences. The logistics sector benefits from AI-powered route optimization and inventory management. Well viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now. AI-driven hiring tools promises efficiency but come with ethical challenges. AI algorithms can be biased, unintentionally favoring certain demographics. Transparency and ethical AI practices are crucial to prevent discrimination in hiring processes. Governments worldwide are developing AI policies to regulate its use in workplaces. AI laws are being implemented to ensure fair employment, transparency, and accountability in AI-driven hiring and workplace automation. Companies must focus on AI training, upskilling employees, and ethical AI adoption to stay competitive. Organizations that integrate AI while prioritizing human capital will thrive in the evolving job market. The rise of AI has caused job insecurity and stress for many workers. Employees fear being replaced, leading to workplace anxiety. AI is transforming the gig economy, with freelancers relying on AI tools for content generation, analytics, and automation. Universities and online platforms are incorporating AI-based education to equip students with AI skills. By 2030, AI will create 97 million new jobs globally. World Economic Forum 2024. The workforce must embrace continuous learning and adapt to AI-driven changes. AI is reshaping the job market. The key is adapting, learning AI skills, and staying proactive. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.